Hello friends, today we are exploring about multispectral and hyperspectral images and how they work with GIS and remote sensing. So let's get started with some easy example. Imagine you are a map maker using a satellite to study a big forest. A multispectral image is like a satellite image taking a few quick pictures. It uses 3 to 10 colors, or you can say 3 to 10 bands, like green for trees, blue for rivers, and brown for soil. With GIS, you can put all these colors on a map to see where the forest is healthy or where the water flows. For example, it can show a green forest patch, helping you plan a park. Now meet the hyperspectral image. This is like super detailed satellite camera that takes hundreds of color of pictures of the same forest. It sees tiny shades like different tints for young and old trees or hidden wet spots. With remote sensing, this helps GIS to show every detail information like finding a small stream or spotting sick plants. It uses 100 or more color of bands for this magic. So in summary, you can say that multispectral images give a quick map with few colors, perfect for big picture planning, while hyperspectral images give a deep look with lots of colors and great for detailed studies. So in real life, GIS and remote sensing uses this to track weather, grow crops, or you can use this for your academic purpose, etc. etc. So that's all friends. Next time when you see a map, think of these maps like, is it hyperspectral or is it multispectral? Thank you everyone.